guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a dear pastor, and it says, titled, Wild Sex at Family House. And it says, Dear Pastor, I am a frequent reader and I must say, keep up the good work. I am a 20-year-old male living with my grandparents until I complete my degree in primary education. I am not a Christian, however, I was brought up in an Adventist household. Shout out to all the Adventists them out there. Growing up in my community, I say those were the good old days. I used to visit my neighbors where I was surrounded by children, younger, older, and of the same age group as me. At this particular house lived a sibling family of about 5 children. I visited quite often and participated in sexual intercourse. Incest was practiced among these teenagers as they were 3 girls and 2 boys. Furthermore, oral and anal sex was practiced between the brothers, and I even joined at times. I'm sure all of the Adventists, they must have Jesus Christ. Lord. Pastor, that happened when I was about 8 years of age, and it bothers me. Even other teenage boys and male cousins used to visit this house for sex. I was recently involved with a male, which I really regret. So, you said this stuff happened to you when you were 8, but now you're a grown man and you said that you recently was involved with a man and you regret it. So you never know. I will say you're 8, you didn't know what you were doing and whatever, you were exploring, okay, whatever, fine. But now you're a grown man and you recently was involved with another male, so that is a choice. You made a choice to sleep with another man or be with another man, but I'll leave the rest of my thoughts until the end. I want to stop, and I am planning to be baptized, but I don't wish to seek repentance until I am over this unclean life. Please give me your advice. Fathers were not present in this home, and the absence of the mother was because of her mental issues. You said that you participated in sexual intercourse in basically that house was a whorehouse. Now you're older and you also participated in sexual activities with another man. Quite honestly, you are gay, and you're either gay or you're bisexual, and you need to figure out which one you are, and just accept the fact that that is who you are. And baptizing is not going to save you. Sprinkling holy water or holy oil over you is not going to save you. The church can pray out your gay or bisexual being from out of you. Like, it is what it is at this point. And I feel like the environment that you were in kind of molded you into who you are now. So it's just a matter of accepting it and know that it's not going to change. Quite frankly, I feel like you need to get a therapist and talk out all your childhood emotions and stuff that you went through as a child, because it may be a good idea to relive your childhood days and see why you're doing what you're doing now. I think that would be a good option for you. But don't pretend and be a wolf in sheep clothing or go to the church, because a lot of these church and these pastors or deacons or people that are considered to be Christians use that as a way to molest other children, rape other children, and they get away with it because of the church. So don't go doing that. Make sure you accept who you are and that is not one of the reasons why you want to get baptized. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that him visiting that basically a whorehouse when he was younger curved him or molded him into the person he is today? Do you think that he made the choice to be with a man? Do you think that he made the choice to be with a man when he was older just because he was curious, or he didn't know he was gay, or he was just exploring? Do you think he is actually gay? Do you think that he's bisexual? What are his next steps that he should take? What are your thoughts? Give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.